Hello, we're back, and this is the final cut of the protective style where I braided my hair to the back. Just to give you guys a quick live action review of the growth results that I had from using the It's a Miracle Nature's Oil growth formula. This is a leave-in conditioning growth formula spray created by Ernest Durham Jr. of Durham Corporation. Alright, okay, so usage instructions are on the bottle. It's very easy. Basically, you spray your hair, you massage your scalp, and you go ahead with your daily styling routine. Now, I will let you guys know, when you're using this product, there are certain hairstyles that you can use or, maintain while using this, and there are some that you cannot. Do not flat iron your hair if you're going to be using this. I'll make another video for you guys on the different kinds of hairstyles that are good for this product while you're using it and those that are not. Okay, so here we go. Focusing on my hair. I'll get a little closer so hopefully you guys can see better. So day, what did I say? 13 days. I didn't even quite make it the full 2 weeks, but here we go. So 13 days, you see, it's a miracle. My braids are very, very loose. I got pretty good growth results. I mean, look at that. And there's definitely some lifting going on. And I'm just going to cover my face because we're not really focusing on my face. We're focusing on my hair. So just to stay on track here, you guys, just look at this. Remember this braid? I lifted it up before. Look at that. Look at that. 13 days using the It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. That is some real results right there. I mean, I don't know why this particular braid, I mean, it has had the most results. I'm going to take this out because I want you guys to see the back. The back totally lifted. Totally. You can see those ends. See where my natural hair has gotten frizzy. And then the back. Underneath my braids. Now look at this. First of all, look at that. All the lifting. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Hopefully you're getting a good look. But just right here is where my hair grows the fastest. Right here. And just look in there and you'll see, how much truly it did in the back. Like all of my braids have lifted at least 3/4 of an inch. No less than a 1/2 inch. And this, look at this braid. That bad boy is, they're all like that. All of them. So it's not just one braid. It's not just spots in my hair. I have good growth all over. And this is just 13 days using It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. See that? Let's get closer. Look at that. And then at the beginning of my braid, look at that. Look at it. So I am definitely satisfied with my results for using the It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. And this is just, like I said, a quick video to show you guys this product really does work, and it is true to the warning that is on the packaging. It says this product may cause hair to grow extremely fast, and I'd say this much growth for 13 days using this product, the It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. I'm definitely satisfied. It is definitely worth $30 per month because I have used this bottle here. I've been, let's see, I think I've had this bottle for like 3 weeks now, and I still have a significant amount. Oh, right there. Got about that much left, and everybody in my house is using this. Myself, my daughter, my son, he has locks in his hair. He uses this. My grandchildren, there's 2 of them, so that is 5 of us using this same bottle. It's been 3 weeks, and I still have at least a third of the bottle left, so that's pretty good for me. That $30 is going far, which is cool, so I have no problem with that. Just don't forget, make sure you guys are following at Miracle Oil Spray on Twitter, at facebook.com/It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. Be sure to go give the page a thumbs up. If you appreciate the results from this video, be sure to like my video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe. Alrighty. And remember, if you're following me, you guys will get alerts when I do have discounts and specials going on the website. So make sure that you're following, because if you're not following, you're not going to get those discounts. Alright? So make sure that you're rocking with me. If you're ordering the product, don't forget, once your product arrives, take a picture. Take a selfie with your It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. Post it on Twitter. Post it on your Facebook page. And make sure you use the hashtag #GrowHairFast. All right. You guys have a great day. I'm going to take this down now because I have to go back to work, and I don't want to be at work looking like a dust bunny, So, ta-da. Have a great day. It's a Miracle Nature's Oil. Cool beans, baby. All right. Peace out. Grow hair, more hair. Bye.